Esplanade at Northgate from Taylor Morrison is a 55 plus neighborhood that I'm featuring today with some MLS listings. And by the way, I did notice that they have an inconsistency or two in the MLS listings, which is why you don't want to trust Zillow data. You don't even want to trust Realtor.com data all the way, because if it's improperly inputted into the MLS, by the way, I'm a member of the National Association of Realtors. That's Realtor.com. But if it's not inputted, hey, everybody's busy. Having a great buyer's agent with boots on the ground is critical to you having a great move, really a great purchase. And I'm going to tell you why my team is worthy of that consideration. But I've got a few of these MLS listings that are available right now in the Monroe area, which is sort of Monroe, Indian Trail, sort of the southeast side of Charlotte. Taylor Morrison's banging it up. Now, they do have some power lines running through there, but they're trying to eliminate that gorilla in the room by getting that built out first. But hey, I digress. I'll shoot videos for you and help you really in the purchase process. But if you're thinking about relocating to the greater Charlotte area, guess what? People don't come here to die. People come here to live. And what I mean by that is, even if it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house. I mean, I grew up in a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house with, 2 other siblings and 2 parents. So a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house doesn't seem like a lot, but you're going to be out walking your dog. You're going to be out playing pickleball. The court's already up. You're going to be out doing things with other people. In fact, Northgate, Esplanade at Northgate. By the way, Esplanade is the brand that Taylor Morrison is using for their Premier 55 Plus, just like Trilogy is the brand that Shea Holmes is using for their Premier 55 Plus active adult, but I digress. Sorry. Anyway, I want to tell you about these listings and tell you the price points as of today. It's a great time to buy coming into spring of 2023. In fact, they're working on their pool right now. So I would believe that pool and cabana would be up. I know the pickleball court's up, and they've got a full-time lifestyle director already on board. Shout out to Sunshine. Now, here is a Malta, one of their smaller plans for sale for $420. This is a ranch, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, nothing fancy, but plenty livable at just under 1,600 square feet. Moving up the food chain here, here is a Laney. Now, by the way, if you don't know the history, when they built out Pinnacle at Wesley Chapel, their first 55 plus, not an Esplanade product, right around the corner. In fact, I liked it so much that my wife and I built in there. If you're a subscriber of mine, you know that story. If you're not, take care of business. But we built it, and by the time it was time to move, she's like, I cannot leave my favorite house. I'm going to stick it out here with the kids in the cul-de-sac. And she did for another year or two. And we just moved into a 55 plus, and that we're very happy about. All right, guys. So they named that Pinnacle at Wesley Chapel some of their floor plans, the first 2, after people from the Wesley Chapel, Union County area. I think that's real cool. And one of those names was Laney. So one of the plans that they built was this Laney plan. And here's a spec here for sale right now for $455. And it is a straight ranch also, but it's bigger at 1,800 plus square feet. Here's a Pembroke. Now they began to build this out at another ranch homes neighborhood that's not 55 age restricted, called Pinnacle at North Reach. And by the way, there's some great product over there down by the Steel Creek area, not far from Lake Wiley. And again, my team of agents, we can help you with any house for sale anywhere in the greater Charlotte area in both North Carolina and South Carolina. So you want to call me first. Never call the builder, because I'm not going to get on my hobby horse, but call me and I'll tell you why you never want to reach out to the builder first. And by the way, Taylor Morrison, shout out to Katie. That's the online. Don't tell her your name or phone number if you want to call. Tell her Roger said, not the YouTube guy said, don't give you my phone number if you're going to call her for advice. But I'm digressing, aren't I? So here's a ranch and a half. It's got 2 bedrooms and 2 baths on the main level, and then a bonus room up, looks like a half a bath. This one's priced at $480. Pretty good square footage, 2,300 right in there, just under 2,300. That's a Pembroke. Now, most of these are Laneys, as I mentioned, and Presleys, another family name from this Wesley Chapel, Monroe area. And here's a Presley. It was one of the models at Pinnacle. But here at Esplanade at Northgate, they have one available for $480 for a quick move. And it is a straight up 3-bedroom ranch and 2-bath ranch. And it might even have a little extra something in there, but like but you want me to go shoot it? Here's the beauty of working with us. You call me before you call any builder. I'll connect you to one of my team members. Hey, I'm coming in the week after next. Let me see who's available on my team to take really good care of you. No charge to you extra because you're paying for it in the price of the home. So that's why you're stupid if you don't use my team or a buyer agent. Maybe you already have one. But we'd love to be your buyer agent. And the cool thing about working with my team is that let's say you identify, hey, I really like the idea of this Presley here. Roger Holloway, could you go shoot a video of that for me to help me in my decision-making process? And the answer is yes, because I'm posting new videos every afternoon, and I'm happy to post one for you and give you an advanced look at this one particularly, really any of them. Here's one priced just right at $500 at Esplanade, and it is a ranch and a half, 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath Laney. So you can build a ranch. Most of these product, you can build a ranch, or you can build it with an upstairs. We call that a 1.5-story ranch and a half, etc. Configured a lot of different ways. And so again, this was priced at right at $500, and it's 2,700 plus square feet, and that could be a good one for you on lot 117. I'm having fun. Are you? By the way, hit subscribe if you like my vibe. I've got Bella, the yappy Yorkie, down here. I've got Jack, the obedient real estate dog, down here. We're having a 3-dog night. Arr, arr, press 2 for Jack. When you call 704-345-3400, press 2 for Jack. Press 2 for Jack. All right, guys. And if you want to meet Jack, by the way, when you come to town, hey, let's get together. We'd love to meet you. Here's another Presley. It's priced right at $515, and it is a ranch and a half, 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath. Got a bonus room and a bathroom upstairs. Nice. Here is another Presley for sale at Esplanade at Northgate. 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath on the main level. Upstairs bonus room. Now see, here's where the inconsistencies. Remember I said, well, you don't want to trust Zillow data for sure, and even Realtor.com data, because this was inputted wrong into the MLS. But my seasoned professional eyes caught it. They're saying it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath on the main level, but that upstairs has a bathroom and a bonus room, but it's not included in that square footage. Realtor Talk, call me. This was priced at $530, and it's saying it's 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath with another bath, half a bath upstairs and a bonus room. Oh, well. And the final one I want to hit today, and I've got some exciting news I want to tell you. I'm almost done. $550. This one is priced, and it is a 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath. Upstairs, you got a full bedroom, full bath. And I like that because if you have grandkids coming down or visiting or any of your guests, your friends, you got a place for them to go, and they're comfortable, but not too comfortable, if you catch my drift on that. You want it to be comfortable? Yeah, you know what I mean. Hey, guys, we have fun doing what we do, publishing videos every afternoon. I'd love for you to call me. Hit subscribe if you like my vibe. But here's what I'd like you. If you're going to jot my number down, I'll give it to you. But I want to tell you this. They're coming up soon on RogerHollowayHomes.com. RogerHollowayHomes.com will be a link to schools and communities. Now, if you want to get to know the area, and I'm going to do a video quickly about this particular feature, schools and communities, because it's an ebook. You open up, it's a flip book. Got to have your speakers on. And it'll tell you a lot about Charlotte, a lot about the different small towns surrounding Charlotte, a lot about things to do, places to go, all kind of stuff about Charlotte. It'll orient you to the area. It's called Schools and Communities. Yeah, it has information about schools. I would encourage you to cross-reference that with greatschools.org, but a lot of stuff about communities, about tax rates. So you will get edumacated. I know you're doing that. It's never too early to call us, though, and my number is 704-345-3400. Thanks for staying with us. I'll see you in the next video.